I find peace each day. Your blood has washed my guilty stains away. Near the cross, Lord, keep me there. In your light, I find my prayer. you hear my call? Hold me, Jesus, at the cross. Help me.